Hadin sau benai belakang ia ka Nan Palok ke jaka bekibriu nak kejela bat syabar jela kismat banit shongkai pengat haka arpulai terik mentau benai nailar arjar arpwe ke sorkar kala ailat ban pli ye ki jaka yat kai pengat. Nak keliang ke Don Bosco Media Network kala yo alat banit pet ya ka wei ni ki jaka shongkai pengat haka bayadei bat ke jingbun jeng kinong wan kai Nan Palok lalap pa ke jingwan kinong shongkai kalong tang kendiat ngut na pedeng ki babun ki bawan syakni ke jaka. Kilasya penpaino namar bakim pantap ai tika COVID-19 baroh dos.
It definitely feels wonderful. We were just passing by, so we were friends, so we just wanted to chit chat. So we just tried to enter in. Fortunately, we were allowed to because we are vaccinated. So only the people who are already vaccinated with their both doses are allowed, along with their vaccine certificate. So that's the thing, and it's definitely a good experience now. Yeah. They asked if we are vaccinated completely or not. We said yes, we are. So they wanted to see our COVID vaccine certificate. They did see that, and they asked for our reference ID, the number in the certificate. So they took that, and finally they allowed us to enter. Well, we are not. They did not tell anything as such. Yeah. They told us to. We came together, although, but still they told us don't be too close to each other. Sit separately and wear your mask all the time. So yeah, that's it. That is what they told us.
Habayakren bat IFS ukaila shibhim sao bhavan ulai thu bagajing Duna jong ki bawan jungo kai Nan Palok ki deitang ki bakhat prasnem shajrong bat sha tangi ki tu ki bladep ban tika baroh dos bat ki deiru ban bot ye ki kendon babtha dakak tanat ka kot ka khya.
Since it is the first day also maybe, and it is opening after long time, people are not aware that park is open. And even not only this response is low because of the park is opening after long time, maybe because people are not fully vaccinated also. So yeah, that's why response is low. Currently it is 19 people have visited last, and we are allowing current only fully vaccinated people. So because of maybe fully vaccinated people number is very less, so that's why maybe number is also less currently. It is for protect as per the guidelines by that our district administration and government only. So based on their advice and direction, we are allowing only fully vaccinated people. Actually, we asked them to produce the certificate because already Arogya Setu and COVID app that shows how whether that person has vaccinated or not. So we will check for the vaccination status of each of the individual, and we will verify with the identity card also. So those who are vaccinated only, the fully vaccinated, we are allowed. What's like it is currently open every day as per the order by the district administration, but it will be closed on the Tuesday for the maintenance. Sunday it is open. So it will be open from 9 to 5 for the visitors. We have instructed all the staff what to check. There are two patrolling teams, one at the south side and another is at north side. So they constantly monitoring all the visitors and instructing them to wear mask at all the times and maintain social distancing.
Habaya nujor ya gajing yo lumpisa ne kinong wan kai Nan Palok hakwe kisnem bat hakini ki arsnem na kaliang IFS KB bhavan ulai thu bakalahir bha na kadaw jung gajing pang COVID-19.
Actually, 2017 to 2019, average revenue was almost 50 lakh rupees per year, and number of visitors were approximately 5 lakh per year. But lockdown came into the 2020, the number of visitors reduced from 5 lakh to 1 lakh only, and revenue also reduced from 51 lakh to 50 lakhs to only 14 lakhs. And this year currently till now we have revenue of 16 lakh only, and number of visitors are 82. So revenue is more as compared to last year this year because of the rate has been revised by the government. So it is almost double as compared to last year. So because of that one, revenue has